Hey y'all, Mower Outlaw here. Quick little update on Wheel Horse. New motor. I got it bolted in, okay? And there's an issue, a big issue. It looks awesome in here. It does look awesome sitting in there. Sorry, this video is gonna be terrible. It's tight in this garage. I'm in a single car garage that is full of stuff. So it fits in nice and snug, and it is bolted in right now. So what I believe I'm having a problem with now is pulley alignment. And I don't know, I got see the two pulleys in the back? That's my clutch and my drive pulley, and this motor is sticking out way too far this way. So I gotta move the motor. These were just holes that were already in the frame, by the way. I'm gonna have to move it. I believe I'm gonna move it forward a bit and then over that way. But what I do want to show you is I went to buy a 6-inch drive pulley. They didn't have a 5-inch, they didn't have a 5.5-inch, they didn't have a 6-inch, and they did not have a 6.5-inch. So, introducing my 7-inch drive wheel. I welded it all up. Now, to show you the actual issue. See, I got my helper today. You say hi?
Hi.
But my major issue is now look down the drive pulleys. Look at how far over this way that is. So I'm going to have to kick this whole engine, probably put this edge of the engine base over here against this edge of the frame rail. It's basically centered, but with holes that were already there that obviously are not going to work for me. Anyway, I know it's a short little video, but it is what it is. It's a Wheel Horse. The motor is in, but does not line up. So I have to move it. Crap. The bolt down here, see it underneath there? That one? Pull that out of there.
Okay. Bring it out. Take it.
Alright, now get the other one. Give that one, Daddy.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, it's so hard.
Well, try it again. You gotta get it out of there.
Yeah. Nope. No way.
Can't get it, huh?
No.
You got that one? Give me that. Okay, get the other one.
Where?
Right there behind the orange thing.
This one?
Yep.
Okay. Getting it. So hard.
Okay. Here, Daddy will help you. Get it?
Which one? Got it.
Okay, give it to Daddy. Okay, now let's get the other one in the front that you couldn't get earlier.
Okay.
See it?
Yeah.
Get that out.
Got it. Yeah. There. Oopsie.
Uh-oh.
I found it.
Watch your head.
I did. I just bumped my head.
You just bonked your head?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
You a tough guy?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have that one?
Oh, let's do that.
No, that's the oil drain. We're going to leave that one in for now, okay?
Any more?
That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
You watching, Daddy?
Yep.
Okay.
She's taking the water. Put it on there. Put on the bucket. Record it.
There it is. If anybody didn't know or didn't notice, this is a 420cc Predator. Mower Outlaw Edition. My little buddy's, he's mad because he's not recording this part. So, I just moved it over a bit. It's now, the edge of the engine is resting on this edge of the rail. And that's really as far over as I want to go. I don't want to overhang it. And it looks like it's straight. see the string.
Guys, it's getting dark out.
Apparently it's getting dark out, so.
We have to get out of here. It's getting dark out.
We have to what?
We have to get out of here. It's getting dark out.
Well, you heard it. Apparently it's getting dark out. We gotta get out there. So, stay tuned.
Can I close this?
Hold on a second. Stay tuned. There will be more. I gotta drill, bolt, and get a belt. So, don't forget to like, comment. Any questions or have any comments or ideas, comment, definitely. I try to read them all. I try to respond to them all. But yeah, that's the way it is. I think it's lined up. And remember, decals are in. There's a video saying how to get them. If you want a decal, there's my hand. There they are. So, what do you think of that new engine?
Yep.
Think it's good?
Yep.
Is it going to work?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.